Hello friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. In this video I'm going to show you this beautiful cushion cover. So let's start. I'm using this baby pink wool which is 2-ply wool. This is very thin wool and with this I'm using 2.5 mm crochet. So we will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and in the very first chain we will make a slip stitch like this. Now make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and in this space we will start to make double crochet. These 3 chains will count in double crochet, and this is our second double crochet. Like this we will make 17 double crochet in the same space. 4 5. Okay, after 17 double crochet we will join here in third chain, 1 2 3. In third chain we will make a slip chain like this. This is our first round has been completed. Now we will start second round. To make 3 chains as usual we will count is in double crochet, and now in the same stitch or same chain we will make second double crochet and 2 double crochet in the next chain. Two double crochet in the next chain, and 2 double crochet in the next chain. They will become 34 double crochets total. Okay, after 34 double crochet we will join like first round in the third chain, 1 2 3, with a slip stitch like this. In third round 3 chains and make 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain. Now chain 2, skip 1 chain and make 3 double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 chain and make 3 double crochet again. We will do the same till the end of this round. Okay, in last one we have only 3 double crochet, so we will not skip here a chain. We will make 2 chains and 3 double crochet in the next chain, 1 2 and 3, and 2 chains will join here. We'll complete our third round also with a slip stitch. Okay, in fourth round make 3 chains and 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain. Now 1 double crochet in the next space. Now make 3 chains, 1 2 3, and make 3 double crochet on the same 3 double crochet, and 1 double crochet we will add into the next space. These are 4 now. Make 3 chains and we'll do the same 4 double crochet. Three chains, and last we will join into third chain with slip stitch like this. In the next round we will start with 3 chains, make 1 double crochet in the next chain, two, 3 and 4. They are 4 and 5th. In the next space, chain 3 and make 5 double crochet on this pattern. Three, 4 and 5th in the next space. Now chain 3 and again make 5 double crochet here. Okay, we made 5 double crochet with 3 chains. Now we will make 6 double crochet with 4 chains. Two, 3 and 4 and make 6 double crochet more. In next round we'll make 7 double crochet with 4 chains. Okay, in next round we'll make 8 double crochet with 5 chains. Next round with 9 double crochet we'll make 2 chains and 1 double crochet, 2 chains and make 9 double crochet. Like this. Nine double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in the next space, 2 chains and make 9 double crochet. Now we will start to decrease these double crochets. In this round we will make 8 double crochet, 3 chains, 8 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next space. Now chain 2 and 8 double crochet. Eight double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next space, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next space. chain 2 and 8 double crochet. In next round we will make double crochet and 3 double crochet with 2 chains. Okay, in next round we will make 6 double crochet with 4 double crochet with 2 chains. In this round we will make 5 double crochet with 5 double crochet with 2 chains. Okay, in next round we will make 4 double crochet with 6 double crochet with 2 chains. Okay, in the next row we will make 3 double crochet here and 7 double crochet with 2 chains here. And this is the last round of this leaf, and this is my 15th round. I have completed my 15th row also. That was my last row. Now chain 3, 1 double crochet in the next chain, one double crochet in the next chain and 2 double crochet in the next space. One double crochet in the next chain and 2 double crochet in the next space. Two double crochet, one on the chain and 2 in the next space. We will do the same till the end, the round. I have completed my last row also, and the leaf pattern is and here. So this is my first part, and in the next part I will tell you the next pattern for cushion cover. So like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, keep watching. See you in the next video.